From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and happy Easter, everybody. Just a lovely Easter day with temperatures starting out in the 50s, and we finished off in the upper 70s. Mostly sunny skies, a little bit of a breeze this afternoon, but some clouds darting in and out. Just certainly a perfect Easter day. More clouds for tomorrow. It's going to be warmer, and that's going to carry us into Tuesday as well. But look out for Tuesday night. Pretty strong cold front on the way. We'll talk more about that. It could produce some severe storms locally. More of that as well. So let's take a look at the big picture across the lower 48, and what we're going to be watching is this storm system that's west of the Baja. This is going to get caught up in the subtropical jet stream as a little bit of the polar jet helps it along, and that's going to be our weather maker as we go into Tuesday night. Following it, it looks like cooler air. There's snow north of St. Louis up in the Midwest, so there's some pretty cold air behind this front, but meanwhile we've been enjoying fair to partly cloudy skies, and that's probably what we'll see later on tonight. Look for Venus nice and bright in the western sky on top of a nearly full moon rising in the east a little bit later on this evening. And coming up tonight at 10, some other planets to check out if you're up late at night. We'll talk more about that at 10. 76 degrees right now. Nice breeze out of the south-southwest at about 11 with fair to partly cloudy skies. Again, starting out in the upper 50s, finishing off in the upper 70s this afternoon. Meanwhile, offshore, quite breezy. Winds settle down just a little bit for tomorrow, but they will be picking back up for Tuesday, and look out offshore for the storms come Tuesday night. So here's your future cast. We'll see mostly cloudy skies mixed in with a little fog at least through lunchtime tomorrow afternoon, but late tomorrow afternoon a few intervals of sun to get our temperatures into the lower 80s briefly, ever so briefly, and then more of the same as we go into Tuesday. Here comes that frontal boundary going into Tuesday at 10 o'clock at night. Showers and storms, strongest of which look to be in the northern part of the state, with a squall line moving through sometime between, we'll say, 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. on Wednesday, followed by breezy and cooler weather going into Wednesday afternoon. Not going to be a heavy rain maker, although we'll get a good soaking with this frontal boundary because it's going to be moving along at a pretty good clip. So whatever numbers you see, you're probably going to catch in about an hour, maybe 90 minutes time. So anywhere between 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches. So flooding, not a concern. Maybe a little bit more so in the northern part of the state where the storms will be strongest, but the main concern this time of year is always the severe storm risk. So this is going into late Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday morning at 7 a.m. and there will be a slight risk of severe storms, mainly western and northern portions of Acadiana, for a squall line that may produce damaging winds and hail. Those are going to be the primary threats late Tuesday night for Acadiana. But again, this looks to be a pretty good model here of what we could expect with dynamics weakening most of Acadiana perhaps in a marginal risk, northwestern sections, and a slight risk, which is up to a 15% chance of an isolated severe storm. The fog shouldn't last long tomorrow morning. It should move in, move out, so no major issues there. Temperature-wise, we'll be in the low to mid-60s as we start our Monday, upper 70s to lower 80s for tomorrow afternoon. And then as we head into tomorrow night, look at this, temperatures near 70 for a low, at least in Lafayette, and into the upper 70s to lower 80s on your Tuesday as well. Light winds overnight tonight, that may allow for the fog to form depending on the cloud cover. Then it gets a little bit breezier tomorrow afternoon with windier conditions expected for Tuesday. So no April Fool, a very nice night. Some clouds and fog moving in by daybreak. 62 your low, 82 the high tomorrow with mostly cloudy skies, but a few intervals of sun in the afternoon. Rain chance tomorrow 10%. We'll go 20% for Tuesday. Here's your Tuesday night weather system. 90% on the rain chances Tuesday night. And look what follows. Highs Wednesday in the 60s as skies clear for the afternoon, and lows Wednesday night into Thursday morning dropping down into the middle 40s, so a breath of fresh air before it warms back up for next weekend with rain chances, especially Saturday. And that 10-day forecast may have the warmest day so far for the year next Monday with a high pushing 86.
That's warm, but those other days are pretty chilly overnight
nice
there.
Midweek cool front. Always good sleeping weather when it gets into the 40s.
All right, thanks.